Hi, this is Tom Varcie, Military Embedded Systems, here the final day of Xponential 2018 in Denver. And I have with us our esteemed editor, EVP, John McHale. How are you, John?
I'm good, Tom. How you doing?
I'm doing great. Well, this is the last day of the show. It's been really exciting this week. We've done a lot of videos, seen a lot of our clients, and seen a lot of great new technology. And John, what are some of the trends that you've seen at Xponential this week in the unmanned systems market?
I'd be happy to share that, Tom. One of the trends I've seen from an embedded computing perspective, there's three. Number one is size, weight, and power, reduced size especially. Talking with some of our friends over at Wind Systems, their manager over there, GT, we were talking about how a lot of people coming by the booth want smaller and smaller form factors, whether it's command and control, sensor processing, etc. It's all about the size, because the unmanned systems get smaller, as do the payloads. Number two, I would say, is the NVIDIA chip. It's so hot right now, and it's doing all kinds of things with graphics processing and signal processing applications from companies like Connectech, Sistel, others that are really pushing out NVIDIA technology. And number three, I saw something really cool yesterday, Tom. It was folks over who are making an unmanned systems power supply for solar panels by the gallium arsenide. And what they're doing, the gallium arsenide is a material, thin layer of material, and they've made it super lightweight so it can fit on small unmanned systems, and it's going to revolutionize power down the road. And going forward, I'd also like to say how much fun we've had this week covering the event from a social media perspective. Tom, your own tweets have gone viral, our military vlogger, so please go to our YouTube channels and check out Tom and his military videos, marketing videos, and the fun stuff that we've done, as well as our wrap-ups with my colleague Mariana Iriarte, and follow her because she did some in-depth coverage of the conference speakers as well. And so that's all for this year for me, but I will see you guys next year in Chicago. Tom?
Thanks, John. And if you want to watch any more videos that have been at the show, go to Twitter, hashtag military vlogger. And as for us, 2018 Xponential is done.
Boom.